Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is armed, a B2 level adjective meaning carrying weapons. This word is often used to describe someone or something equipped with weapons or prepared for potential conflict. Let's dive into some synonyms for armed to expand your vocabulary. Words like equipped, weaponized, and loaded are often used in similar contexts. For example, you might say, the soldiers were equipped with the latest technology for the mission, or the drone was fully weaponized for defense purposes. Each synonym carries its own nuance, but keeps the idea of being prepared for action. Now let's look at some antonyms to understand the contrast. Words like unarmed, defenseless, and vulnerable show the opposite idea. For instance, the hikers were completely unarmed and relied on local authorities for protection, or the town was left defenseless after the storm destroyed their infrastructure. In everyday life, armed is often used in discussions about security, preparedness, or even metaphoric readiness. For example, you might hear phrases like, the police were armed and ready to respond to the threat, or she entered the debate armed with facts and statistics. These examples show how the word can be literal or figurative, depending on the context. Here are a few more examples of how you can use armed in sentences. The guards at the museum were armed to ensure the safety of the priceless artifacts. He walked into the exam armed with hours of preparation and a confident attitude. The bank had an armed security team present during the delivery of cash. To summarize, armed is a versatile word that can describe being physically equipped with weapons or being metaphorically prepared for a situation. Its synonyms and antonyms help paint a complete picture of its meaning and usage. Thank you for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and grow their vocabulary. I'd love to hear from you. Create your own sentence using armed and share it in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring the world of words.